Welcome to our comparison of two popular compact washing machines, the BANGSON Compact Portable Washing Machine and the ROVSUN 17.6 lbs Full Automatic Washer and Dryer Set. In today's video, we'll dive into the features, advantages, and disadvantages of each product to help you make an informed decision. Whether you're living in a small apartment, a dorm, or an RV, finding the right washing solution is essential. Let's get started. The BANGSON Compact Portable Washing Machine operates as a semi-automatic unit, requiring manual steps for transferring clothes and managing water. In contrast, the ROVSUN set offers a fully automatic experience, allowing you to set it and forget it, making laundry day much easier. When it comes to drying, the BANGSON relies solely on a spin cycle, which leaves clothes damp and requires additional air drying. On the other hand, the ROVSUN set includes a dedicated heated electric dryer, ensuring your clothes are ready to wear immediately after washing. Price is always a significant factor in any purchase. The BANGSON Compact Portable Washing Machine is priced at an affordable $139.99, making it an excellent choice for budget-conscious consumers. In contrast, the ROVSUN set comes at a premium price of $349.99, reflecting its advanced features and full laundry capabilities. In conclusion, both the BANGSON and ROVSUN washing machines have their unique strengths and weaknesses. If you're looking for an affordable, portable option and don't mind a bit of manual labor, the BANGSON is a great choice. However, if you prefer a fully automatic solution with a dedicated dryer, the ROVSUN is worth the investment. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.